Oi! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. My name is M.R. That is Z-I-S. You get me? And today we're at Hellshire Beach. Now we're in Portmore. Hellshire Beach is all about the swim around. You get me? This is the best place you can get your escapade, swim around and festivals. Very, very famous for seafood. You get me? Yeah, man. So Z here tell me say it's a famous place called Screechies. So I feel say that is a place we're gonna have to check out. So we're at Hellshire Beach. They get me very, very famous for seafood. We're gonna check out Screechies, all of the big artists them talk about that place there. You see me? So we are gonna check it out, do the review for Cook and Vibe. Woy, United Tingo, outside. No. We reach, people. Yeah, Hellshire Beach, you get the best seafood in the world here. And that, I tell you. So yeah, we're just gonna find Screechies now. And then see what I want. You see me? Yeah. Hellshire Beach, all these little places are different little ones. They're all selling fish and seafood and all these things, you know? Yeah, man. Woy. Yeah, that is it. Cook and Vibe. Cook and Vibe. Oi! Yo, may I tell you, say, I'm excited to be here. Hellshire Beach, we're at Screechies, you see me? And so basically, you choose your fish. It's fresh out the ocean. You know what I'm saying? You actually look at the fish, you choose your fish yourself, fresh, and then they cook it for you. You can't get better than that, you see me? So now, we're gonna choose our fish, you get me? And then I'm gonna cook it up for you, and we're gonna see what I've gone. Screechies, the famous Screechies. Yeah, man, it's a blessing. So big up Screechy. Yeah, so right now we're gonna choose what fish we want. You get me? So yeah, man, and look at all this Scotch bonnet, look at that. Yeah. Fruity. Yeah, so alright, so yeah, we're gonna choose our fish. You get me? Do you wanna come and choose your fish? So yeah, man, I feel like one time that one looks nice. I feel like I'm gonna choose. I don't want a big fish. I feel like this one's gonna be good for me. It looked nice and pretty with the colours, pretty. You get me? It's all about the pickle pepper, the escovitch. That's what it's about. So today it's all about escovitch fish, they call it, and that's the pickle pepper with the onions and the Scotch bonnet and everything on top of the swimmer roll. You see me? So yes, people, done choose our fish now. Now they're gonna cook it for us. Why?
Get Miguel's jerkyard marinade. It make your chicken taste like a god cookie. It hot?
People, click the link in the description to get yours and to purchase yours. Why?
Right, people, Hellshire Beach, so we've ordered our escovitch. You see me? So I'll show you the place. You get me? Yeah.
This is the oyster.
Yeah.
Open.
I'll take off the mask off your face, man.
Yeah.
Let them see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Original oyster man from Hellshire. Shady. You don't know. Yeah. Sweet and pepper sauce. Sweet without pepper. Yeah. That's it.
Boy. What will you say? What's that? What's in there?
Carrot, onions, scallion, pimento seed, thyme, honey,
Nice.
vinegar, ginger, garlic.
You know something I really like oyster in the but we are gonna try it, car. We are gonna try it on camera. You see, cook and vibe. I'm doing this for you lot, car. The only reason it's nice is because of that.
Yeah.
That's what you can taste. That's bad.
That's what it is.
That bad. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's 10-10. Woy people. So we're at Prendy's, yeah, and this is where you eat your oysters and everything there, and it's quite famous for oysters and everything there. You feel me? The beach comes right here.
It's super publicity right here.
Hellshire Beach. So all the fish and the seafood is right there. It's literally all right here. And they just catch it, bring it in, cook it. Right there. Yeah, man. Yes. Warrior, my G. Yeah, see the oyster man there. So we got our oysters. You get me? Big up the general there. Look for him. When the sauce is bad. So just look for him when you reach the Hellshire. Understand? Respect and manners, my G. Yeah. So I think I'm spilling conch soup everywhere. But yeah, we've done the oysters. We got conch soup. You see me? Escovitch fish. Yeah, man. It's a seafood thing today. Hellshire Beach. So let's try out the conch soup here. We done conch soup already, but let's see what I've done and Hellshire. Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty. All right. Oh my days. I think that's the best one so far. And I didn't doubt it because everything Hellshire is just very, very famous for seafood. Like I say, the beach right there, everything's fresh, comes straight off the beach, into the pan, into the pot. Wow, this is 10-10. So people, we're here at Hellshire doing the cook and vibe, but we pushed back up on a big artist, T.O.K.
My crew, my dogs, make rules, break laws, we represent for the lords of yards. Are you okay, girl? Them a feel up me, papa.
Boy,
yeah, man, I want the people them look out for the new thing them, cause bass is still there.
Okay.
Yeah, man, King Bass album dropping June 3rd. And we have a thing when they Moolah Kawa. We get up and gone for the Moolah. Yeah, Uptown say them want Moolah. Every pretty girl say them want Moolah. For every other day them gone at the jeweler. I sound me neck that I make me cooler. Rubber band in me antica than a roller. Yo, you know man, I'm mad sing.
Mad thing, T.O.K. Bless up yourself, family. Boy,
boom, 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 boom.
Boy, people, look at that Escovitch fish. You get me, beautifully cooked, fresh. We picked it ourselves, we see it, festivals, See the brown stew fish there? Boy, that's looking good. You get me? The escovitch, the pickled pepper, everything is there. Yeah, so let's try it. Why people, so we're gonna taste it, you get me? So first of all, we're gonna go in, we'll get a piece of fish with some escovitch. Oh wow, it's a different level. It's a different level of seafood in this place, I'm telling you, it's a different level. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Wow, that's screechy.
Screechy. Big up yourself. Festival. The best festivals are so light. They're so light. It's like they're just. You never get festivals like this anywhere else but Hellshire. You've got the band. With the brown stew sauce. It's mad. Honestly, people. You see this fish? I'll be here for the next 10 minutes telling you how good it is. I promise you. This right here.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. Why? Big up section. Yeah, man. What heap of works I put in, people. You see me? Yeah, and I hope you're enjoying the season. You get me? Big up Howard and Jessica. Said big up Cook and Vibe. Yeah, big up the both of you. Manners and respect. Thank you for your support. People, make sure you press that subscribe button, that notification bell. We're in Jamaica and you don't want to miss nothing. Trust me. You see me? So Hellshire Beach today, people, was a good vibes. I've been down to Hellshire quite many times because, you know, they're at Portmore. So, woolly times I've gone down there, but it's actually the first time I went to Screechies. And I didn't really explain this in the video, but like, the thing is with Hellshire and the seafood, especially the escovitch, just that specific place, the flavour of the fish is like so light and cooked. It's like, it's a mix between Caribbean and like, more like an English, get the screen up, and more like an English fish and chip, you know, like when they get like a fish and chips, but it's like, I don't know, the fish inside kind of tastes like that, but in the outside tastes like a Caribbean style. I don't know how to explain it. You'd have to try it for yourself, but it's really, really good. Big up OJ. He says, I can't lie. I haven't watched your videos for a bit, but I saw you at Gatwick and I see a few Jamaican man there, so I knew where you was going to. And I knew there would be some Jamaica content coming. I was flying to Mexico the same day. Glad I saw you as it reminded me of your channel. Big up, my G. You don't know. Yeah, man, sometimes life just gets, you know, busy and whatnot, and you forget about certain things, and you something that just reminds you why you're at Cook and Vibe. But me, I tell you something right now, you can't miss nothing. It's not a time to be forgetting right now, so you make sure you press that notification bell. You zimmy, it's Cook and Vibe. We're in Jamaica. Why? I'll see you soon.